Welcome back. So we got 3 trays that we're going to be doing unmoldings for today. Let me move these back so they're in frame. They're all for someone else. So these are already assigned to people. These aren't like going on the website for sale. This is a remake, sneak peek. That's a remake. Somebody ordered because they wanted that thing bad. So there's a few people who said they wanted it, but they actually reached out and was like, yo, I want that. I was like, all right, bet, what's up? So that I'm gonna undo. The other 2, one is a gift idea. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a while, so we're gonna talk about it as we unmold it. And then this one is something I thought of doing for someone else, because I was like, yo, that'd be dope as shit. So yeah, let's get into it. I just broke my nail. I just broke a nail, so yeah. I'm gonna change camera angles and then we'll be right back. So yeah, give me a second. All right, so we're gonna try out this camera angle. I'm gonna start with this one because I'm really curious as to how it came out. Look at my little blue hoodie in the corner telling on me. Jeez. Okay, so pick my hands up so we're not making all that noise. So here we are. Of course, we got spill. Oh, I haven't used this tray in a while. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, this looks, oh, yep, I knew it. Did anything come out? Oh no, they're all still there. Okay, so, that's interesting. Okay, I'm a little confused. Okay, no, so these, here they are. All right, so these 2 are the holders, but we got air bubbles in here. I knew I was gonna have some massive bubbles, so I'm gonna have to remold. I'm gonna have to throw this back in the mold and pour some more resin over it. There's air bubble here also, but as you can tell, we got some chakra stones here. So we got the full spectrum from, you know, from root to crown. So going all the way around, root all the way back up to crown. And we have different stones for each one. I'm kind of bummed out about all the bubbles because I thought I got them out. I was working it, but it's like this also looks like selenite, which was the goal. So it kind of looks kind of, you know, woo-ish. So I'm gonna go over this again. Like I said, I'm going to have to add some resin here to fill that in. That threw me off because this is the actual holder spot right here and right here, so it's funny that one ended up here also. So we're gonna put some more here, like all around this whole side. My goodness, this whole side was just like but this side came out almost perfect because these are pretty much, you know, where the blue is. The blue behaved. So I really like this a lot though. Other than the air bubbles, which I'm definitely gonna go over, this came out great. This is exactly the vision I had for it. So very pleased with this. All right, so we put this here. And I guess we'll go for this one since it's small. I feel like we might have air bubbles in this one too because I can see it on the other side, but I need to go over this one for sure because I already knew it was gonna be it's usually like this when I do logo items. So this feels like I might need to go over the back a little. It's a little bit tacky, or I might just need to set a little bit longer. I don't know what's up with this. I used a different, yeah, this is gonna need to set again. Oh, why are we so sticky? Why is this so, okay, so we're definitely gonna have to do a brush over this with some more resin. That's so weird, but it came out great other than that though. That's weird that this came out, and it's only in certain areas. Hold on, let me put that down. That's very weird. I think it might be the, I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. I'm actually probably gonna be able to wipe this off. If I rub this off with rubbing alcohol, I should be fine. That's funny that it did that though, that the chemicals didn't mix with each other, because I had some type A, like the first pour of it was in there, and I guess I didn't scrape it all out. So it just, the mixed one just sat on top instead of like molding with it, which is weird, but whatever. So I'm gonna just wipe this out, and then I'm gonna go over the inside with another layer of resin. But this is for Private Astronaut. We are going to do some fun stuff with this inner layer here, but I love the way this came out because we have our one holder here, and then we have the logo on the inside, and it's that nice pretty green. It's like a dark green, like it's giving very fetch. So yeah, I am very pleased with this. Like I said, I'm just gonna have to wipe this down. You guys probably see it as just like another layer, which I'm actually not even upset with, but definitely gonna wipe this down. No boozy, and we're gonna see what's up with that. I need to wipe my hands. Okay, I got a napkin over here, hold on. All right, so the big kahuna, this is the one I've been waiting on. So let's get it out, because we had to do a couple layers on this because the mold be playing with my feelings. And here we are with the extras, because you know there's always some extras with this mold. Okay, come on baby. Okay, all right. Oh, so all this extra spillage going on here. And this, of course, it's a red stripe tray. Y'all saw from the little flash preview. Ooh, oh, that's tight. that was in there. Oh, yes. I am very pleased with this. Yes. All right, so Jesus. Get that off to the side, out of the frame. So here we have it, our red stripe rolling tray. Like I said, I'm gonna have to put another layer over because I saw these bubbles when I was looking at it. We're gonna do one more layer here, and then this will be ready to ship. I think I did pretty good on replicating the color from the original one, but I love this. I love this. If y'all want to order some more, I'm more than happy to make some more. So don't hesitate, don't be afraid. And yeah, so here we are. We got our red stripe rolling tray. I really like this. Like, you guys can't see me, but I'm literally sitting here just like staring at it. But let me actually change my camera angle back so you can see me. Hold on just a bit. All right, we're back. So like I was saying, this red stripe tray is giving me all the feels because it's exactly how I wanted it to look. Yeah, so we're just gonna go over this one more time with like another layer of resin just to like seal in this portion, but it's good for the most part. I have a perfectionist air about me, so I want it to be like a flat seal, like period. And yeah, so that's that. And then like I said, we're gonna wipe this down with alcohol to make sure that like all that excess is done. And if it needs to be like gone over one more time, I'm gonna do it same time with this and same time with this. So I'm glad I actually did these together because they might need another touch up of resin. So yeah, this though, I am perfectly happy with the placement on this. Like this came out like damn near dead center, which was the fucking goal. So I'm happy about that. And this just, I'm honestly surprised that they did not like what's it called, that they didn't float up. Like I was expecting some of them to like float up into the base of it, and it didn't, and that makes me so happy. It's just these air bubbles. I'm gonna have to, I knew I should have put it on the heater. Should have put it on the heater so the air bubbles will come out. But I'm pleased with it though. I am very, very pleased with it. And I think it's so cute how like one little one is like kind of by itself. But yeah, I love it. This is actually a gift for someone that doesn't know what's gonna be getting there, but when they see this, they're like, oh my god. So yeah, I really love this though. I love that I got the color to look like selenite a bit. Like, it's making me so happy that I achieved this. Because at first I was like, I wanted it to look kind of like a ball. What is it? I was about to say a yoga ball. What is the ball I'm saying? Like a fortune teller ball, kind of like, because it's for someone who does tarot and yoga. So yeah, so the chakras and the, you know, little selenite looking ball, it all ties in. It all ties in. Okay, so super excited about that, and this, and I'm excited about everything that's on the table, period. If you see something on the website that you would like to have remade, please be sure to reach out to me. You can DM me on Twitter, Instagram, or you can send a message on Facebook at Pointless Creates. It's POINTLESSS, like up there, you know, a tree aesthetic. CRE, the number 8S, and that, like I said, that's on Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook. You can send a DM there. And I will get back to you at my earliest convenience so that we can work out what you want remade, or if you have an original idea. We can also work on original ideas, and we can get what you want created, you know, bring it to life. If you just want a tray, you can look on the website. There's a bunch of stuff on there that is available for sale. I do same-day shipping if you place your order before 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Or Eastern Time, because are we in daylight savings now? It's not standard. Whatever. You make sure you send it in before 5 p.m. my time, so that, you know, you get same-day shipping, and that's 7 days a week unless there's a holiday. Let's be mindful and be realistic, folks. If there's a holiday, post office ain't open, so let's think of that. So yeah, so get your orders in, and just like everything else, I want to thank you for watching. And you know, whether you got here on purpose, I was supposed to say that first. Oh, I'm nervous, guys. Podcast is back. If you have not listened, I've been telling y'all for over a year now, catch up on them podcast episodes, because when we back, we're gonna be dropping them. I hope y'all caught up. That's all I'm saying, because we're dropping them now. So yeah, make sure you check out Pointless Talks, the podcast, your Caribbean podcast, on literally all the streaming platforms. You can find all the platforms on pointlesstalks.com, and we're on YouTube. So if you're watching this on YouTube, just go over to the podcast channel, the podcast playlist. It's all here. It's all here. You ain't got no excuses. Just go listen. So yeah, just like everything else, whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.